Hello, this is Microchip Group 7. We are the Arduino team, and this is our Sprint 9 artifact review. So basically the goal for our sprint was to finish our hardware requirements and get pin count estimation and to test the program. So right now we've got our application that we can show you, and we actually did split it up into two parts. The first one's going to be a hardware recommendation. So basically with this guy right here is that it's basically a program that recommends a microcontroller based on hardware requirements. Right now we're using temporary set values, so it's going to read it and then give us a board that it would recommend. So as we can see, it recommends an AppMega 644p. Now our second app for our application, basically this is going to be the one that recommends a board based on pin count. And we will go ahead and do this command to show you. Right now it's reading a file called blink.ino, which you can go ahead and view in our GitHub. Right now you can see the libraries detected as Ethernet, SPI, and we also have a little question for the user. This is just to verify that we did estimate 9 digital pins and 0 analog pins, and we just want to confirm with the user that this is correct. And in this case we're going to say yes. And as you can see, it does spit out the program as blink.ino, the size of the file, analog pins used, the digital pins required, and the recommendation in this case is going to be the @tiny817. Now, in terms of our retrospective, basically for the most part, we did meet our goal. We have a working application now in place, so that part is done. That recommends a microchip based on memory and pin count. We also have the program that recommends the microchip based on hardware requirements. But as of right now, we're only using temporary variables. We did not complete all the stories and tasks in the backlog. We did work in a consistent rate for the most part, not as much as we'd like towards the end. As we see, we didn't finish all the stories and tasks. However, we do feel like we did deliver business value when it comes to our project, which is almost done, and we now have the fully working application. One thing we could do better is we could learn to be more detailed when telling each other, what to do. And for the most part, for this sprint and for the whole semester, we're feeling very optimistic that we did deliver very good value. Thank you.